You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town in England. If you want to learn more names of famous places in the UK that are very confusing and that many mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. Got many more coming up at the video. So at the end of the video, Stratford, that's the British English pronunciation. Stratford-Upon-Avon. So as a whole, Stratford-Upon-Avon is how it be said in England. Stratford-Upon-Avon. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.